Hello traders, the title of the video is Royal Gold Elliott Wave Trader is at it again. All right, the financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Royal Gold Incorporated EPIC RGLD Romeo Golf Lima Delta. I'm on the monthly chart and we're going to use the Elliott Wave principle to analyze the Royal Gold stock. It belongs to the basic material sector, gold. All right, let's get started. So suppose you were here, you were counting way. How would you have counted your way? So following our Elliott Wave count guideline, you will say our first wave, all right, and then you say second wave. But now the second wave has cancelled the first wave. So what do? We restart counting the wave. So we say first wave. Now this first wave here, we put a question mark on it. Why do we have to put a question mark on this one? Because it didn't go above, it didn't break a resistance. So normally the first wave is the signature of the bull must break resistances on our left hand side. So this one did not break this resistance here. You see, stop there. We put a question mark in. So but there was no Elliott wave violation, but there is a question mark on it. We say second wave. Here is she. Did not cancel the first one, almost nearly, but not. Second wave, we say, all right, the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. We take it one step at a time. And if there are changes, we adjust accordingly without assuming anything, all right? So now it becomes clear. Cutting long story short, I can go into the internal wave or this third wave here. Third wave started here. You see first minor wave, second minor wave, all right? Yeah, something like that, okay? So from here, don't want the video to be too long, so here it is. Third wave. Are you happy? No. If you disagree, feel free, okay, to put in a comment section. It's normal for Elliott wave trader to disagree the whole day. Now we have the fourth wave and the fifth wave right there. All right. Now we do not see any Elliott wave violation here. So when we apply the Fibonacci extension to the fifth wave, we must highlight which level? The 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the fifth wave because it's a major resistance ahead. So now the price came down 1, 2, 3. The first thing coming to our mind, we say, are we going to have a flat correction? Or those are the questions we'll ask though. Are we going to have a flat correction? Or it is the correction? Zigzag 1, 2, 3. Finish, is it finished the correction? So we start asking those questions, but we say, okay, so it is the end of the correction. Is it a zigzag? Is it a portion of the flat correction? We have 138.2% level. We say, let's see the reaction of the price. You see that the price came down. There was some seller there, so there was resistance. So we are saying to day traders, scalpers, 138.2% price coming to that zone. There were sellers here. They sold it a bit. People took a bit of profit. They are aware of it. Okay. But now the price is continuing to go up on. We are now at 161.8% Fibonacci retracement level. What did I say to trader at day pro trader? We are now at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of that fifth wave. What have I said? The 161.8% Fibonacci extension level is a Fibonacci breakout zone. If you do not know, it means that you are not a day pro traders subscriber. Okay, subscribe to Day Pro Trader YouTube channel so you will understand more. And go to www.dayprotrader.com. Read everything that you can read. All right, that's it. So now it didn't pull back at 138.2. If we start pulling back, we start thinking of the C minor wave of the flat correction. So now I'm not want to put B here. We want to wait again for a reaction here. If the price continue to go up more, so we're going to go like this. We're going to say, all right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 becomes 1 wave, 1 impulse wave of a higher degree. So the multi-wave, this trending fair become the first wave of a higher degree. And if the price continue to go up more, we'll be calling this one the second wave of a higher degree. But at this stage, it's a bit too early. That's why I say the Elliott wave count is one step at a time. It's a bit too early to start putting that second wave of a higher degree. Therefore, I want to combine the Elliott wave trading with the pitchfork 2 trading. So if it's going to continue to go up more, you will stay within a boundary of this pitchfork 2 or break above it. Okay, that will be an extension, meaning that the momentum is increasing. But right now, the first thing that is coming to my mind is a flat correction. Is it going to come back down? Is it going to find a resistance on the edge of that pitchfork 2? Is it because of the edge of the pitchfork 2 that they push it above the 138.2% level? One should not assume anything. This is what we say. Don't buy or sell for no reason. Have a valid signal that is deriving from a valid trading setup. That's it. Have you seen a trading setup? Where is it? Does that trading setup generate a trading signal? You are looking for a trading setup on here, a key level, a hot spot trading zone. So far, you have done your job as an Elliott trader. You have counted your way. You leave it as it is. If things has changed, you will change them because we are flowing with the price. So at this stage, we leave it as it is now. All right. That's why when traders are using the Elliott wave services, sometimes they use the Elliott wave forecast as an exact science. No, look for trading setup, implement different time frame trading method on the edge, one step at a time. Breathe in, breathe out. Combine the Elliott wave forecast with what? Other technical trading tools. So if we have a weakness here, meaning the price coming down, or we have a flat correction, okay, put it back more even to here. One scenario, yes or no? Not the only scenario, okay? So you want to take into consideration every scenario, and you don't want to even guess it because now you map it out to a point. That's what you're doing, right? You navigate to a point. Now, if you do not have another data, that's why we are saying we are using the Elliott wave principle, the wave count, the wave forecast to gather information that will help us to make excellent decisions. If you do not have new data, don't create it, don't invent it, don't just assume it. Wait until there is information. So here we can say it may pull back here. So we are watching it. It may continue. So now at this junction, my friend, it breaks above that 138.2% level, is headed to the 161.8% level. This is a breakout zone. So all we will say to traders at this junction, that's it. Because it's a breakout zone, priority to bullish signal above the level of 12839, which is corresponding to that 161.8% Fibonacci extension of the fifth way alone, just the fifth way here, provided that our wave count is correct. Okay. Prior to bullish signal above 12839, prior to bearish signal below it. That's it. So either it's going to pull back to retest either this median line here or the top of 138.2% level. before rushing away, or it may just go above that 161.8%, as many traders are expecting, find a bit of support, and then run away. As I said before, you don't want to just buy or sell. Look for a setup, a signal is in place, and then you enter. You are an Elliott trader. You want to trade a stock like a Royal Gold, something to do with gold. What's happening to gold? What's happening to the S&P 500? The Federal Reserve recently cut interest rate. It's good for gold. Okay, this is something to do with gold, yes or no? Read the news about the Royal Gold Incorporated, Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, perform at least Google Asset test, do a bit of due diligence, okay? And then wait patiently for a clean cut setup. Breaks a ball, retest, common setup is broken. The trend line, the tendency bar is closed. Now, implement a top-down trading method. Trade on the edge to minimize the risk. Anytime you are trading, you want to buy at the support level. Make sure you are buying at the support level or at the key level, sell at the key level or at the resistance level. Understand that the price does not go up or down for no reason. Now we are talking about market principle again, yes or no? Okay, so you are nailing your trader, doesn't stop you. So no more chart pattern sometime will beat you, all right? Or Fibonacci pattern traders. Do you want me to continue more, or is it too much for you? Because it's pointless to record a 20-minute video only to notice that traders are only watching 5 minutes. So it's not encouraging to me to continue. So probably I'll record the short videos and I just touch upon few things instead of going deeper like this. So no more chart pattern. We'll see what they say, George. The price went out from a cap here or a V pattern. They will measure the depth of that measure stick and they will project it up to set the ultimate target. As always, there are two targets. So I'm just choosing carefully. This is to use the depth of the project it down, project it up. We are going to uncharted territory, far, far up, we can see now. And then we will also use half of that measuring stick, which is this one, and project it up again, setting the midpoint target. So as the price is going up now like this, it's headed to a specific target, provided that it finds a support above that 161.8% Fibonacci extension level. There is a midpoint target ahead, there is an ultimate target above. It does not mean that the price will reach that level by all means. It may never reach it. But the challenge for the price today, as I told you before, talking about the characteristic of the 161.8% Fibonacci extension, it's a breakout zone. So I say to traders, you want to look at it, okay? You turn it upside down. You look at it from the left to the right. You move it down. You see from different angles. So when we do that with that principle of the breakout characteristic of the 161.8%, what we have discovered that if the price fails to break out above the 161.8% level and the common center is broken, we must give priority to bearish signal. We must sell because this is a place where the price normally should continue to run away above that level. But if it fails to go above that level, we mean that if final resistance and the common center is broken, we have a good reason to look for an opportunity to sell. And no one will accuse us for being bearish because all we did is to notice that something is not right here. The price is not breaking out in a zone where it's supposed to break out. What's going on? Something has changed. It didn't break above and validate that 161.8% as a support level. What's going on? Now it's coming down and the commercial line is broken. We have a good reason to be bearish and we will not just sell it because of those reasons alone. Now we will become composed. We use the trading drill, the setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. The price does not go up for no reason. Market principle is always headed to specific target. There are many targets that we can use. Okay, even price going above the P42, project the P42 in the direction of the price. At least project first the upper half in the direction of the price and draw a line at the top there that is parallel to the P42 and so on and so on. So this will conclude our discussion today. about Royal Gold Elliott Wave Trader is at it again. So if you are wondering, Joe, why are you so serious today? Or you are speaking with a royal accent? Well, it's because of what? The Royal Gold stock. So I'm using my Porsche's accent to speak to you, all right, just to make you laugh a bit, all right? So if this video has been useful to you, please let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down, all right, very important. However, if you think that George is an amazing tutorial, well done, please share it on the social media. That will be very helpful to us, okay? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Is 24 Elliott Wave, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott Wave in plural. Click on the notification bell, ring the bell, okay? Click on the bell, all right? So anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Financial instrument that we are analyzing today is Royal Gold Incorporation, EPIC, Romeo Golf Lima Delta, belonging to the basic material sector, gold. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTWSYS008 traders talking about Royal Gold Elliott Wave Trader is at it again. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. When we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it becomes one of a higher degree. It is the A manner way of the flat correction. It is the B manner way of the flat correction. Or is this a zigzag? Let's see what will happen next. Game on. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.